Derivative Section 233. A derivative refers to a financial contract whose value is derived from the value of an underlying asset, reference rate, or index. Derivatives are commonly used for hedging risks, speculation, or arbitrage in financial markets. Key features of derivatives. 1. Underlying asset. Derivatives derive their value from an underlying asset, which can include stocks or indices, equity derivatives, interest rates, interest rate derivatives, commodities, commodity derivatives, foreign exchange rates, currency derivatives. 2. Types of derivatives. Forward contracts, customized agreements between parties to buy or sell an asset at a future date and at a specified price. Futures contracts, standardized contracts traded on exchanges that obligate parties to buy or sell assets at a future date and at a predetermined price. Options contracts, contracts that give the buyer the right, but not the obligation, to buy, call option, or sell, put option, an underlying asset at a specified price within a specific period. 3. Purpose and use. Risk management. Companies use derivatives to hedge against price fluctuations in underlying assets, thereby reducing financial risk exposure. Speculation. Investors and traders use derivatives to speculate on future price movements of assets, aiming to profit from price volatility. Arbitrage. Derivatives facilitate arbitrage opportunities by exploiting price differentials between related assets or markets. 4. Regulatory framework. Derivatives trading and transactions are regulated by securities market regulators such as the Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, in India. Exchanges where derivatives are traded enforce rules and regulations to ensure fair and orderly trading, risk management, and investor protection. Benefits and risks. 1. Benefits. Price discovery. Derivatives provide valuable price information about the underlying assets, enhancing market efficiency. Risk mitigation. Companies use derivatives to manage and reduce exposure to market risks, including price volatility and interest rate fluctuations. Liquidity enhancement. Derivatives markets contribute to market liquidity by facilitating trading and price hedging activities. 2. Risks. Market risk. Derivatives are subject to market fluctuations and volatility, which can lead to financial losses if market movements are adverse. Counterparty risk. Transactions involve counterparties, and failure of a counterparty to fulfill obligations can lead to financial loss. Regulatory and operational risks. Compliance with regulatory requirements and operational complexities in derivatives trading pose risks to market participants.